What's up, folks? Heine's Morning Update, December 23rd. Christmas. This is a Christmas video. So Merry Christmas to all. Over under today, I've got 48 to 57. 48, 57. Below 48, I'm bearish. Above 57, I'm bullish. We are right there at 57 right now on ES. Tight overnight range of 30 points. This 60 level is fairly important. There's 69 level, excuse me. 66 was our overnight high. A lot of traffic here. You know, the 74 is an interesting area. The 42 level that I liked yesterday, I thought would be defended, was absolutely not defended. We blew right through it. We blew through those lows of 28 and 803 and down to 88. So big range yesterday. I would probably expect kind of a consolidation today. I don't see any fireworks, but again, I could be wrong. A lot of information coming out. We'll go over the economic calendar. This 15 to 20 level I would expect to be resistance. Then you have, the 39.29, which is your 100-day, 39.39, which is your 200-day, your 50 days right up here at 95. That's your 95 to 3900. So that's going to be another level I'm watching. Whole numbers today. This is Friday before Christmas, so we could see a pin, either ES or SPX on a whole number. But again, we're just kind of in the middle of yesterday's monster range. Your midpoint was 54. So this is in my mind right now, we're neutral. Your hourly, these pivots are going to be expanded because of yesterday's range, but the pivot is 52. I really like that. 39.15, 37.84. So S1 is actually 4 points below yesterday's low. If we hit that, then Christmas is canceled. Rudolph died and no one's coming. Here's your weekly, still in this larger channel. Your 200-day is 36.55. Obviously, we're still in a downward. I could probably do another 2 bars here and show the chart coming down, but we'll leave it as is now. That was that pop above the trend line and come back down, which was not exactly bullish. And again, we're just kind of hanging in between, this. We haven't really broken out. So we need to either come up or break this and continue down. So I don't know where we're going. Here's the daily. You can see that double top right there at that 1920 level. 3909 is your 2-year volume point of control. And we've kind of been, waving up and down through that. So that's a fairly decent midpoint. A level that I would keep my eye on. Daily, let's talk about the euro. Euro is still barely above the 106 level. Again, a year-ending close below 106 put this into probably a death spiral for next year. We have a cash gap from yesterday. We've been chewing at this big 90-point cash gap. This goes down to 37.48. We didn't get there, but we've cleaned most of it up. You have one from yesterday is 53 to 38.78. So I could look for that to be filled today. Again, we're going to open up midpoint, so maybe up. And you have this guy up here, which I wouldn't worry about today. We could also look at that downside to fill if something happened. That 48 level would be a level I would be watching. Again, we could pin a whole number here, so we could pin a 3850, a 3800, 3900, 3750 if it's that bad. But my guess would be 3850 or 3800 would be my 2. I mean, who knows? 80 points up is 3900, so one of the 3. Or we don't pin a whole number at all. I don't know. It's just something to keep an eye out on. Economic calendar, PCE core, we have all those coming out at 8:30. Real disposable income, consumer spending might be a decent one to look at. durable goods, equipment orders, whatever. UMich at 10's always been a market mover. It has been neutral last time, so we'll look for maybe a surprise or not a surprise. New home sales have me worried a little bit. The December number is going to reflect that November, and it hasn't been very happy on the real estate front. So if this is a devastating number, we could see maybe a market reaction. But anyway, again, we're getting towards the end of the year. Stay safe. If you don't see it, don't trade it. Have some eggnog, light a fire, and call it a day. But anyway, Merry Christmas. I will be in the room all day. And if you see profit, take profit.